Introducing Vectors, a brand new section of the Framer Marketplace. Vectors are collections of ready-made icons and illustrations designed by the Framer community. They let you drop professional visuals straight into your site. When you find a vector set you like, click Copy Vectors, then paste it directly onto your canvas. Framer automatically imports the whole set, fully organized and ready to go. You can quickly browse and swap between vectors in the set. You can also adjust colors, styles, and other properties to match the set to your design. Want to sell your own? Just right-click your vector set, copy the URL, and submit it through the Creator dashboard. No versioning or publishing steps required. Vectors make it faster than ever to add high-quality visuals to your site. Explore the marketplace today and start creating with vectors in your next site.